How does the Holy Spirit work in our life? Well, it doesn't come in by our own words, certainly not our own power. Not even by our own intuition or our will. So how does it work? How's God coming in our life? Not by word, not by talk, not by our strength. I can give you an example of what I know. You've got to let go. You have to let go of what you think. Let go of what you know. Let go of your ambitions. Let go of your desires. Let go of your preconceived ideas of how you think things should work. You know, it's more than a matter of faith. You can put your faith on something, it still won't move. Because Holy Spirit doesn't act on our command or act on our move. The Holy Spirit acts in faith and in love. And a lot of times our idea of what we want to happen, even if it's good to us, isn't right. You could want somebody healed, but do you want to take the credit where the credit's not yours? The giver of life, is that who you are? Are you the giver of life? I don't think so. The giver of life is the judge. You've got to let go of everything. If you want healing for somebody, you have to love them. You have to love them. And you can't want the credit. Healing can happen. The Holy Spirit can move on somebody. Not because you said a word. Not because you said any word. But because the giver of life moves in power and in love. Trusting our idea of love is often selfish. So we say, let your kingdom come and let your will be done. We give thanks. Be grateful for what you do have, what you have been given. A contrite heart is a good one. Contrite meaning you don't want anything in return. You just want to be faithful. And even in just wanting to be faithful, we're a little selfish because we want. We've got to stop wanting literally everything. I'm not talking about emptiness. I'm talking about letting go, trusting that love is. That love is. If you can surrender to that, then you won't be able to explain that. But we try. We try. You could want to heal somebody and lay your hands on them. It's not going to work out. But if you want to heal somebody, take your hands off of them. Take your hands off them. And have faith. Maybe even take that faith off as well. And trust. Just trust the Spirit. Moves in power and in love. We gotta let go of ourself. And see what happens. It's always good. You could have nothing in this world. Like very little. You find life. Well, that's not nothing. When you come alive, you have nothing in the world to really show for it. Usually because of our own foolishness and stuff, like I can attest to. That's one thing. But if you surrender and you come alive, that's the way. That's the truth. You can find life. Actually, life finds you when you surrender, when you give up of your own life, what you think, then you're found. Almost fell down. Look at all those lily pads. A couple of geese. And a duck. Let's go over this bridge.